The island's only hotel is having their soft opening. It's some distance away from the pier. After the ferry docks, we can take our time walking there and admire the island's unique mangrove forest. Wait, why did you bring a bun umbrella? But judging by its expression, it doesn't seem very willing. Its wings are completely soaked. It probably can't fly. Maybe it doesn't want to stay dry. It could be trying to lead us somewhere. It stopped. Sorry, but neither of us understands bird speak. I guess it entrusted the egg to us. Thankfully, we... Then let's get our little guest checked in. The nest is sheltered from the rain, all the hard objects have been cleared away, and there are no gaps where it could get stuck. This new home should be very safe for our birdie. Security and affection have the same value to you? Okay, I'll remember that. Security comes in various forms, though. And the security I want to give you is different from what I give to birds. Are we sure anything that has this color is edible? Can you feel it? The light I create for you is warmer than what I give to Birdie. If it's going to hold a grudge, we might as well give it a few more reasons to dis- Perfect timing. Now it's my turn to hold a grudge. Light yellow plumage, distinct tufts visible on head and chest area. They must have been eager to meet us. They're more eager about eating than meeting us. They ate everything. That means your fruit puree has our seals of approval. Knowledge can't weigh you down, and you're never too old to learn. Oh, that's the toy ring you bought from Otto. It got stuck on them after we played this morning. I can't remove it. Let's see if this book can help us find Birdie's ancestors. You're welcome to crawl in and see for yourself. It's okay. I'm not tired. They're a growing birdie. A little extra food won't hurt. I'm not going home empty-handed. Why? They're lying down again. Oh, is that how you're supposed to use it? What about this? We'll let them chase an uncatchable star, and we'll go out and chase the waves and wind. Don't worry, the light will disappear after a while. It won't turn our bird into a machine.